In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use the Kanban board feature in Jira. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with Jira, this guide will help you organize tasks and manage your workflow more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Jira project and go to the top of the page where you'll see the Board View tab. Click on it to open your Kanban board. This is where you'll manage and visualize all your tasks in a simple step-by-step workflow. If you don't see the Board tab, don't worry. Go to the end of the navigation tabs and click the plus icon. From there, you can add the board view so it becomes easily accessible next time. Once you're inside the Kanban board, you'll see different columns representing your workflow, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. This helps you clearly track where each task stands. To create a new task, hover over the section where you want to add it and click the Create button. A new card will appear. Start by entering a clear and simple title so everyone understands the task at a glance. Next, click on the card to open it. Here you can add more details like description, status, priority, and any other important information your team needs. Once your cards are created, managing them is very easy. You can simply drag and drop tasks from one column to another as work progresses. For example, move a task from To Do to In Progress when you start working on it, and then to Done when it's completed. This visual system makes it very easy to track progress and stay organized. If you want to take it further, Jira also allows you to set up automation rules. These can automatically move cards between columns based on conditions you define, saving you time and reducing manual work. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the Kanban board in Jira to manage tasks efficiently. With this system, you can stay organized, improve team collaboration, and keep your projects on track. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.